quick ride on the elevator at the Fairfield Inn by Marriott in Marathon, Florida. This is building number 2. We are at 3. We have a GAL interlock. Let's go down the 1. So this is an Accurate elevator, which I believe is a local company. I'm not going to film the elevator in the main building. I think someone else filmed that. But it's also, the main building elevator is also an Accurate elevator. And it has different buttons though, and a different, I think it has a mechanical bell too. So I'm going to link a video to it in the description. But anyway, there it goes. There's a little map, by the way. And that'll be it.